Hello everyone. Now in this video we will discuss what are the different topics which we are going to study in chapter amines. So amines is the chapter 13 of NCERT part 2 book. What are amines? I will tell further in the upcoming videos. Amines are ammonia derivatives. So I will exaggerate and give the details of this point in the next video. So first point under this will be introduction to amines. Then we will discuss structure of amine. Then classification of amines. So this all is a general introduction. Then we will move to the very important part, and that is preparation of amines, wherein we will have 6 different methods of preparation. The first method is by reduction of nitro compounds. Okay, so we will prepare amines by reducing nitro group. Then we will do ammonolysis of alkyl halides. Alkyl halide मतलब हेलो एल्केन का अमोनोलिसिस कराकर, मतलब हेलो एल्केन की अमोनिया से रिएक्शन कराकर हम जो है अमाइंस बनाएंगे. देन रिडक्शन ऑफ साइनाइड ग्रुप, दैट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज नाइट्राइल. देन द फोर्थ मेथड विल बी रिडक्शन ऑफ अमाइड्स, दैट इज RCONH2 ग्रुप. Then Gabriel phthalimide synthesis, or you can call it Gabriel phthalimide synthesis if you consider pH as silent. So it's a name reaction. Then Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction. This is also a name reaction. So these are the 6 methods from which amines can be prepared. We will discuss them in detail one by one. Then we will discuss the physical properties of amines. And then will come another important part of the chapter, and that is chemical properties of amines. So under chemical properties, we will discuss why amines are basic in nature. So we will discuss the basicity of amines, and we will compare the basicity of different amines. Then we will study alkylation reactions, then acylation reaction. Then we will talk about carbyl amine reaction, which is very important. This is also called as isocyanide test. Then we will study reaction with nitrous acid. So we'll see how amines they react with nitrous acid. Then reaction with aryl sulfonyl chloride, which is also called as benzene sulfonyl chloride. Then 7th topic will be electrophilic substitution, under which bromination, nitration and sulfonation, and we will see that amines they do not give Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay, so this will be one very important topic to be discussed under amines. And with this 7th and the last chemical reaction of amines, we will end up with the topic of amines. Now in the chapter of amines, there is one more very important organic compound which is derived from actually amines only, but there is a separate section given, and it is called as diazonium salt. So diazonium salts are prepared from amines only. So under the diazonium salts, we will see what are they, how they are prepared, their physical properties, and then their chemical reactions. As in the introductory part, you will come to know that diazonium salts are the starting compound for many of the organic compounds. So we will see the chemical reactions of diazonium salts under 2 headings: reactions involving displacement of nitrogen. In this heading, you will have so many reactions. Then reactions involving retention of diazo group. तो आप एक टॉपिक में देखेंगे कि जिसमें नाइट्रोजन जो है वो हट जाता है, वो रिएक्शंस जिनमें नाइट्रोजन हट जाता है डाइजोनियम सॉल्ट से, वो रिएक्शंस देखेंगे. और फिर दूसरा सेक्शन है, वो रिएक्शंस देखेंगे जिसमें डायजो ग्रुप यानी नाइट्रोजन रिटेंटेड रहता है, वो हटता नहीं है. और इसके अंदर हम कपलिंग रिएक्शन देखेंगे. इट इज अगेन अ नेम रिएक्शन, और इस रिएक्शन में हम डाइज का फॉर्मेशन पढ़ेंगे. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द फ्लो चार्ट ऑफ अमाइंस. आई होप द टॉपिक्स ऑफ द चैप्टर आर क्लियर. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट देम वन बाय वन.